Today we'll briefly walk through how to edit a work order. You'll start by clicking Work Orders in the navigation on the left here. From there, you'll need to click a work order that has not been sold to a subcontractor yet. If your work order has already been sold to a subcontractor, you are not able to edit it. What you can do, however, is click on the little three dots over here if it's already been sold, and you can duplicate and cancel that work order. The reason for this is that a work order represents a contract with a subcontractor, so it cannot be changed after the contract has been agreed on by both parties. However, you can cancel that work order that's been agreed on and create a new one by duplicating the existing one and editing whatever details you need to edit. But for today, we will be making edits to an active work order that we have not sold yet to a subcontractor. So we'll click on the link here to get into the detail page. You'll see that there's a little edit icon at the top. We'll click that, and it'll allow us to edit our work order. So we will update the field that we need to change here. We will click Save Changes when we're done, and our work order has been updated.